हेलो बच्चों, आज हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 5 अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन। अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन है क्या, इसको एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। एपी इज ए लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स इन विच ईच टर्म इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय एडिंग ए फिक्स्ड नंबर टू द प्रीसीडिंग टर्म और नंबर एक्सेप्ट द फर्स्ट टर्म, and the fixed term is called the common difference of that AP. It can be represented by D. It can be represented, it can be positive, negative or 0 and represented by D. So if we take an AP, A1, A2, A3, A4 so on, D is A2 minus A1 and A2 is A1 plus D, A3 A2 plus D. So if we go to the definition, is a list of numbers. These are the list of numbers. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. This D is the fixed number to the preceding term, and the A2 is obtained by adding that fixed number to the previous number. We obtain the second term, and the third term is obtained by again that fixed number. In the previous term we obtain the next number, and so on. In this we have only three formulas. First is D, that is called common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. Sorry, this is equal to A4 minus A3. If all these terms differences become same, then an AP is called, or a series is called an AP. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on. This is D1, 2 minus 1, 1, D2, 3 minus 2, 1, D3, 4 minus 3, and D4, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. It means D is equal to D1 is equal to D2 is equal to D3 equal to D4. So this term of given number or this series of given number is called an AP. Take another example. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 so on. Here this is the first term, so we can find D1, 2 minus 1, A2 minus A1, 1, D2, 5 minus 2, 3. Here D1 is not equal to D2. So this series of given number is not an AP. So now we can say about a given series, this is AP or not an AP. It can be decided by this common difference. If the common difference between the terms is same, then this is AP. If the difference is not same, then this is not an AP. हम साधारण तरीके से कह सकते हैं बेटा, अगर इन सब के टर्म के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो बराबर है तो वो AP है, अगर बराबर नहीं है तो वो AP नहीं है। अब जो इस AP को सॉल्व करने के फार्मूले होते हैं, सबसे पहले तो जनरल टर्म और nth टर्म, दिस इज A प्लस n minus 1 into D. Take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4 so on. Find a 7 term. So from this a is 1, n is equal to 7 and d is equal to a2 minus a1. 2 minus 1, this is 1. So a7 equal to, this is a is 1 plus n is 7, 7 minus 1 and d is again 1. 1 plus 7 minus 1, 6 into 1, 1 plus 6 equal to 6. So a7 is, this is 1 plus 6 equal to 7. So this way we can find the nth term of an AP. Next formula is Sn, sum of n terms. This is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here this formula can be another formula of this is n is equal to n by 2 a plus an. This an is the last term. N by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2, this a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the same statement, if we have to find sum of 15 terms as 15 terms, so we can put this 15 a and d here. As 15 mean this n becomes 15, a is equal to 1, d equal to 1. Now as 15 equal to 15 by 2, 2 into a is 1 plus 15 minus 1 into d is again 1. 15 by 2, 2 plus 14 into 1, 14. 15 by 2, 16 to 8. 15 8 ja 120. In the complete chapter, we have only described about these three formulas. First, how to say an AP and a given series is AP or not an AP. कोई दी गई जो सीरीज है वो AP है या AP नहीं है. अगर वो AP है तो उसका D कैसे निकलेगा. D निकल गया तो उसकी nth टर्म कैसे निकलेगी. अगर nth टर्म दे रखी है तो n कैसे निकलेगा. मीन्स वी हैव ओनली A, N, AN, SN. It totally depend on these three numbers. Suppose an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have an, a, n and d. If we have 3 out of these 4, if we have 3 out of these, we can put all those 3 in this formula and calculate the fourth. Similarly, in this Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Again here, this is Sn, n, a and d. We have 4 quantity. If we know 3, then fourth can be calculated. 3 हमें पता है तो चौथी हम कैलकुलेट कर सकेंगे. और इस चैप्टर में सिर्फ यही चीज है, इसके इंट्रोडक्शन में यही है, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. जो ये कर लेगा उसकी कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज वो कर